Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Xero accounting. We will begin by understanding Xero's fundamental features, designed to simplify financial management for small businesses. You will learn to navigate the intuitive user interface and set up your organization's basic information. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effectively managing your finances and getting the most out of the platform from day one. Next, we will dive into Xero's core functionalities. You will master bank reconciliation, ensuring your accounts are always accurate. Learn to efficiently process customer invoices, supplier bills, and employee expense claims. We will also cover managing your contacts and tracking inventory, which are essential for maintaining precise financial records and streamlining daily operations. Moving forward, discover how to generate vital financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement and balance sheet, to gain insights into your business performance. Explore advanced features like payroll management and project tracking. You will also learn about integrating Xero with hundreds of other business applications, expanding its capabilities to suit your specific needs. Finally, to solidify your learning, utilize Xero's extensive official resources, including their comprehensive learning academy and certification programs. Practice your skills risk-free using a demo company, which provides a safe environment for hands-on experience. Additionally, engage with online communities and forums to connect with other users and gain valuable insights and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.